Students, now I will explain question number 2 of exercise 6.3. So we have, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect square. So we have already done this type of sum. Okay, so for this we have to know one concept, that the numbers which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8 are not perfect squares. We have learned this, isn't it? The numbers, we'll write this part, the numbers which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, isn't it? The numbers which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8 are not perfect square. Okay, so if any number which is ending with 2 or 3, 7 or 8, okay, or odd numbers of zeros also, so those number will consider as not a perfect square. So why this 153 is not a perfect square? Why not? As because it is ending with 0. So not a perfect square, not a perfect square. Reason: ending with 3. Okay, so again this one, why this number is not a perfect square? So we will write not a perfect square first, not a perfect square. Now we'll give the reason why it is not a perfect square, because it is ending with what? 7. So we have already said the numbers which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8 will consider as not a perfect square. So we'll write ending with 7. Okay, now this number is a perfect square? No, it is not a perfect square, because it is again ending with 8. So first of all we'll write not a perfect square, not a perfect square. Why? Because ending with 8, isn't it? Now what about the last one? Last one is what? 441 is a perfect square number. Yes, so it is a perfect square number, as because you see the what is the last digit? 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8, and we have also learned the numbers which ends with even numbers of 0, 1, 4, 6, okay, 9. Those could be a perfect square number, isn't it? So this number is ending with 1, so we can say it is a perfect square number. Okay, so this is all about question number 2, students. Thank you so much. Okay, God bless you all and stay blessed.